Hey everyone, and welcome to the MinDak Gold and Silver Market Report. We bring these to you every week in 5 minutes or less because we know you're busy and we don't want to waste your time. So let's get right to today's gold and silver prices. Gold is at $17.93 an ounce. Once again, back under that crucial $1,800 figure that we've been talking about in the last two videos. It's really been a struggle. $1,800 is a key resistance marker for gold, and if we get above it, I think that will be bullish for gold prices in the near future. Silver's at $23.92 an ounce, and just like gold in the $1,800 figure, we've been talking about the $24 resistance with silver. And silver's been fighting the battle to get above 24. It was up above it the last couple of weeks, and now we got beaten back down, and it's coming back up today, trying to get above the $24 level. Much like gold and the $1,800 level, if we can get silver above the $24 an ounce level, that should be bullish for silver prices going forward. What's going on in the news? Well, I got some news straight off the Ron Burgundy news desk for you. The Fed has announced a taper. But don't worry, it's a paper tiger, or should I say, a paper taper. They're going from $120 billion a month in spending, because the economy's so good, all the way down to $105 billion a month. That's a $15 billion a month reduction. Oh no, how are we going to survive that? And that's what they're doing to try and slow down pesky inflation. Let's be clear about this. The money printing machine is continuing. They're still printing money every month. They're just slowing down the rate that they print it. Most people don't even know that the Fed has $8 trillion on their balance sheet. And that's just money printed out of thin air to buy up assets that nobody else would buy. And that's why the Fed's doing it. If they continue this pace of reduction, it will take them all the way until sometime next summer to unwind their asset purchase program completely. I don't think it's going to get to that point, but we'll see what happens. Like we always say, the Fed can do their paper taper, and they can talk about maybe thinking about someday talking more about raising interest rates. But the bottom line is, the next time the stock market takes a dive or there's another crisis of some sort that appears out of nowhere, the Fed is going to hit the gas on money printing once again. They'll increase the amount of their asset purchases and they'll make sure to hammer those rates down to zero or possibly even negative interest rates in order to save the stock market. That's been their modus operandi all the time, and that's what they're going to keep doing. What's going on in the shop? Well, gold and silver eagle sales have been good, and the U.S. Mint just released their latest year-to-date sales figures. The Mint announced gold eagle sales of just over 1.72 million total ounces so far year-to-date. Silver? Yeah, that's a big number as well, with over 26.7 million silver eagles sold so far this year. That number kind of took me by surprise, because with all the supply chain disruptions and mint shutdowns and shipping issues, I didn't realize they'd be able to move that many silver eagles, but almost 27 million is a big number. Those numbers are pretty big considering the fact that premiums on both coins have been on the rise. And so people ask me all the time, Jack, why should I pay more for a gold eagle or a silver eagle over some other silver product that might have a lower premium? And the answer to that is, it's up to you. Yes, gold and silver eagles trade with some of the highest premiums in the industry, especially the silver eagles right now. They're red hot, they're in super high demand, and they carry a large premium. So you're paying a large markup over the spot price to buy the gold and silver eagles. Now, on the flip side of that, if you walk back in and sell, you're going to get paid more for your gold and silver eagles than you would get paid for some other random piece like a gold bar or maybe a silver bar or silver round. So the premium does move with it when you buy it, and then it also comes back to it when you sell it. But the key thing to remember here is there's no guarantee that premiums will always stay high on gold and silver eagles. In my decade of experience in the business, I've seen silver eagle prices or premiums to be anywhere from $2.50 or $3 over spot all the way up to $13 over spot. And gold eagles, we've seen some fluctuation in those premiums as well, with premiums as low as 2.5% over spot all the way up to 7 or 8% over spot. So just because the premiums are super high right now doesn't mean that the premiums are going to be super high when it comes time for you to sell. The good news is there's no right or wrong way to buy gold and silver bullion. If you think eagles are the best bet for you, then by all means, buy the gold and silver eagles. If you'd like to buy something with a lower premium and get it for a little bit closer to the spot price, then that's your prerogative too. We encourage you to do your research, Do your own homework, figure out which product is going to work the best for you, and then give us a call or come see us and we'll be glad to help you out. Speaking of helping you out, we have 2 stores available for you to come in and see us. We got our regular store in Fargo, North Dakota, or should I say the original store. And then we also have our new store in the Phoenix, Arizona area. We're in Fountain Hills, Arizona to be exact. Both stores are open and ready to serve you. We have the numbers for both stores down on the screen below, so give us a call if you'd like to do some business over the phone. We also have our website on there in case you want more information about MinDak Gold and Silver. Just click that link and you can find out everything there is to know about us and our history here in the precious metals business. Lastly, please take just a moment and be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when we release videos in the future. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot. I'm MinDak Jack, and remember, until next time, if you can't hold it, you don't own it.